open it up. You compress it, you release it, and then you sneak into the gap. Push, 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 push. Stretch the crown up. You hold that for about 10 seconds. The spine open up. Yep. What the sound? You can hold it a little bit longer then. I should feel a trampoline already a little bit, like that. Yep. We guide that in together. Stretch. Push. Yep. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay, so now crown goes up. From the spine. Yeah. Keep this here. And gently stretch the fingers a little bit more, like you go around the shape of a tree. You want to, okay? Okay, nice. So step out. And now do it in here. Want to try, Sam?
Yeah, I'm not sure if that works.
It's sticky enough. How's that? Is that enough for now, or you want more? Yeah. You can always get more.
I was eating the total wrong stuff for me. When I was younger, I would drink the Ayurvedic tea.
Try to walk in gratitude.
Yeah.
Don't lose it.
Beautiful. Don't lose it. She's just following that, but softening the contact points. Soften, breathe out. Beautiful. So, back, relief. Good. And now what happens when you start looking down?
Collapses. Smaller.
It's leaving you, right?
It's like it's draining out like a balloon with a hole in it.
Yeah, it's like...
You can keep breathing in, but it doesn't keep fully inflating.
Now look up again.
Self-inflates almost.
Yeah, it just happened.